Hello everyone, Larry Lavrentich for Ichimoku.co with the daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Monday, February 24th, 2014. Well, a fairly large white body candle today that has extended the trend to the upside that was established for the previous day's trading with a higher high and a higher low. That was a candle that had difficulty closing outside of that zone of resistance highlighted in yellow, but with today's trading the market has extended through there, testing up above the previous major high at 1850, establishing a new major high at 1858, and then being rejected from that high and also from the previous high at 1850, failing to close above that previous major high level. The market did, however, close above the zone that I've highlighted in yellow, and that suggests that the market has built some momentum to the upside in net terms, giving us a white body candle, and suggests a possibility that we may test above that 1850 high and even possibly to the 1850 high and 1858 high and above. The problem here, however, for the buyers is that they lost commitment as they were testing above that 1850 level, and we saw them lose control of the market by closing around the midpoint level, so neither side has taken control. Now, it's not a story about the sellers taking control or having any strength. It's about the buyers being in control, showing some net side upside momentum and some strong momentum, but failing to take control and losing commitment by the end of trading. So it suggests that there is some doubt whether the market can extend this trend to the upside. Now, if the market does come off here, we have potential for support within this zone of previous resistance, and which we have seen in the recent past has acted as support. We also have the Tenkan Sen trading just around the bottom of that zone, around the 1830, 1829 level, and it should strengthen the support that we see, and therefore suggests that if the market does come off, this will just be a temporary downswing in the market, and we may then eventually see the buyers come back into the market. And if they can build enough momentum in the upswing, they may be able to take out these previous major highs. In terms of the Fibonacci projection, and here we see the market in an uptrend. We're examining the relationship of this new first time frame uptrend from the previous day's trading to the previous time the market's trending up, and here today we've seen the market attempting to trade through the 23.6% level, being rejected from there and failing to close from above there, and it does suggest a possibility of a change of trend to the downside. In terms of VGMOGU, we have a bullish market in all three timeframes of the market trading above the cloud, above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen. And if we look at the angle of both the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen now, it suggests that there is some good strong upside momentum. We also have confirmation of the second timeframe uptrend with the market making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs, and today another higher peak was confirmed. So we are seeing this market trading in a second time frame uptrend and a first time frame uptrend, as well as confirming what we're seeing with the Ichimoku indicators being in an uptrend in all three time frames. Some doubt with the Chiku span, that is trading within the corresponding price action, so it's suggesting that there is some doubt about whether this trend that we've seen is genuine. But I suggest that if we do see this market close higher than where we've seen the market close today, that Chiku span will be above the price action and will give us bullish momentum in that medium term time frame and confirm the bullishness that we're seeing in all of the three time frames. Now, if this market does come off down below the bottom of that zone, we do have potential support at the top of the Ichimoku cloud, which is trading around the 1821, 1822 level. So some very strong support for this market as well. But really, what we'll be looking for here is for a potential lower high and lower low, but for the market to find support initially down around the bottom of this zone around 1830. If that doesn't happen, we could see the buyers come back into this market, as we did build some momentum in net terms with this white body, and we may see a successful assault on the major high at 1858.